2 hours. No office, no stress. Meydan Free Zone has just introduced FAWRI, the UAE's 60-minute business license solution. It's the express lane for entrepreneurs ready to launch fast. But what exactly is the FAWRI license? FAWRI is a new express trade license option introduced by Meydan Free Zone in Dubai, designed for speed, flexibility, and ease. Here's what makes it a game changer. 1. License issued in just 2 hours. 2. No physical office required. 3. Fully digital setup process. 4. Perfect for freelancers, consultants, e-commerce sellers, and service providers. 5. Includes a wide range of business activities to choose from. And 6. Ideal for those who want to start quickly without high overhead costs or delays. In short, it's one of the fastest and most accessible business setup options available in the UAE right now. Want to know if FAWRI is the right choice for you? Unispire will guide you through the entire process, honestly, clearly, and without any upselling. Let's get your business launched. Start smart, start with Unispire. And for more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and do like our video.